Welcome to Martech Novera. Transforming possibilities, empowering futures. At Martech Novera, we don't just embrace innovation, we define it. In a world where technology evolves at the speed of thought, we stand at the forefront, guiding businesses through the maze of possibilities and transforming challenges into triumphs, unleashing potential, igniting growth. In the ever-evolving landscape of marketing technology, success lies in the ability to adapt, innovate, and stay ahead of the curve. Martech Novera is your strategic partner on this journey, providing cutting-edge solutions that go beyond conventional boundaries. The art and science of marketing technology. At Martech Novera, we believe that the marriage of art and science is the heartbeat of successful marketing. Our suite of tech solutions doesn't just crunch numbers. It crafts narratives, builds relationships, and turns data into meaningful insights that drive your business forward. Your vision, our blueprint. Your business isn't just a venture, it's a vision. Martech Novera understands that intimately. Our team of experts collaborates with you to craft a bespoke blueprint that aligns with your goals, leveraging the power of technology to propel your brand to new heights. Innovation without complexity. In a world saturated with complexity, Martech Novera is the beacon of simplicity. Our solutions are designed to seamlessly integrate into your workflow, enhancing efficiency without adding unnecessary layers of complication. Because innovation should empower, not overwhelm. Tomorrow's solutions. Today, Martech Novera doesn't just anticipate trends, we create them. Our commitment to staying on the cutting edge ensures that your business is equipped with tomorrow's solutions today. When you partner with us, you're not just adapting to change, you're shaping it. Join the Novera revolution. Embark on a journey of transformation with Martech Novera. Let's redefine the future of marketing technology together. Because in the world of possibilities, your success is not a destination, it's a continuous evolution. Martech Novera, transforming today, empowering tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment,